Hello everyone, I am CA Sriharsha BV. This video is part of our weekly talk series on bouncing back and going beyond 2020. We are empowering you by providing the information relating to benefits provided by the government as well as compliance relaxations provided by the government of India in the light of this pandemic. In this week, we will be covering GST relaxations provided by the government in the light of COVID-19. The first relaxation provided by the government is with respect to the past returns relating to July 2017 till January 2020. That is right from the launch of GST, till January 2020. If you have not filed any of the returns during that particular period, now you can file it. If it is a nil return, you can file it without any late fees. And if it is a return with the transactions, you can file it with a maximum late fees of 500 rupees a month. Before this relaxation, late fees used to be 5,000 rupees a month. However, the maximum late fees used to be 5,000 rupees a month. Now government reduced it by 10 times and capping it at 500 rupees. So avail this particular opportunity before September 30th, because if you file after September 30th, normal late fees will be applicable. But if you file all your past pending returns of 3 years, if you file it before September 30th, you can avail the benefit of reduced late fees. At the same time, for the monthly due dates, government has provided the relaxation. Government came out with multiple notifications, multiple circulars for announcing these due dates. We have summarized all of them in this slide. So you can go through the due dates where government classified all the registered persons into two categories. Persons having turnover of more than 5 crores in the previous year and registered assessees having turnover less than 5 crores in the previous year. For the businesses which are having turnover which is less than 5 crores in the previous year, again government classified them into two categories. Category A states, category B states. Depending on your state of registration, you might fall into category A or you might fall into category B. And the due dates for you for GSTR 3B will be present accordingly. If your turnover is above 5 crores, if your business turnover is more than 5 crores, then by default, these due dates will be applicable for your business. Depending on the month in which you need to file the return, for that particular month, these due dates are being provided. If you file the returns within these due dates, then no penalty or no late fees will be levied and even no interest needs to be paid. However, if you are filing after these due dates, if you are filing the return after the mentioned due dates in this particular slide, then interest rate of 9% will be applicable. Interest rate of 9% will be applicable till September 30th, and then thereafter interest rate of 18% will be applicable. However, late fee will be calculated like in a normal scenario, 20 rupees in case of a nil return and 50 rupees in case of a return with a transaction. Late fee will continue to exist after this due date, but interest alone will be reduced to 9% instead of 18% if your turnover is less than 5 crores. But for people having turnover beyond 5 crores, for them no relaxation after this due date. Late fee, penalty, everything will be applicable as per the previous act, as per the existing regulations itself. So which states belong to category A and which states belong to category B are presented in this particular slide. Because to maintain the pressure on the GST portal at the minimum level, government has classified all the registered assessees having less than turnover of 5 crores in the previous year into two categories. Category A, assessees belonging to the category A states, assessees belonging to the category B states, they are listed in this particular slide. So if you need any help in filing the GST returns or in complying with the Companies Act, Income Tax or GST or any other law, we will be assisting you. If you wish to know more details about this, please click on the link which is given in the description below. Thank you very much.
Get 300 plus services. Chat and email with our team directly. Get stunning discounts and rewards. Only on Vakil Search app. Download now.